There are a group of subscribers that have been gassing me up, telling me that they've been enjoying these protected style videos. So, back to back, we're doing protected styles. Hey beauties, it's Viviana, and today, so I came across this video on Instagram, and like most other videos and reels on Instagram, it originates from TikTok. You see the TikTok logo there? Yeah, it's from TikTok it comes from. But I found it on Instagram. You see how she used her own natural hair for this style? I'm gonna try to do the same bubble braids with the beads at the end and everything. Yeah, I bought beads. But instead of using my own natural hair for this style, I'm gonna use braids. I might end up looking like a little poodle, but let's see. So I'm starting this style on dry hair. I washed my hair like 2 days ago. It should be good. Should be. So I think the first thing I should do is section out my hair. Well, I think the first thing I should do is actually figure out how to actually attach these braids to my head. I have a theory on how to do it, but let's try to do one complete bubble braid first with the braids before sectioning out our entire head. I might end up pulling this one out at the end, but we just need a tester at the front so we both can see what we're doing. So I have here some black rubber bands. I'm going to secure the roots. Not too tight, I just wrapped it around twice. I don't want it to be too tight. So the hair I picked up is the Yaman Afro Kinky braid in the color 350. I mean, is it an exact match? It's not an exact color match, but it's definitely not too far off. I think it will pass. So the thing with Yaman braids, they come in like little individual tresses, like, yeah, you can see. I don't think this will work as is. Yeah, because we want it to puff. Well, actually, that wasn't too hard to puff. I thought I was going to have to brush it through, but just using my fingers and puffing it, it separated well and it looks good. All right, how are we going to attach it? Okay, so to attach this now, so I have here my latch hook needle. So this is open and this is closed. So I'm going to open the latch and push it through underneath the elastic. So the elastic is above it. I'm going to hook the Yaman hair onto the latch, onto the hook. Close it and pull it through. So this is 2 pieces I pushed through. I'm going to add another 2 pieces. I'm going to just separate the strands. Just separating the strands with my fingers. What was I thinking? This is going to take way too long. It might as well brush it through. Yeah, but brushing it through while the braids is in my head, that might hurt. Let me continue with this one now. Alright.
So then I'm just going.
I don't like how this look. What is this?
Like, this is not it at all. Like, it's supposed to look nice and,
You know, I want to see the elastic at the roots, okay?
but this method is covering the elastic, and if I add like a next elastic on top of it, like, I don't know, this don't look right. Let's just start over. Hold on. What?
So, I took a minute, had a snack, and I think I have come up with a way that just might work.
So I'm adding some edge control to the root of my hair to get it looking nice and smooth on all four corners and smooth it in. So what I'm going to do is to plait my hair, just a regular plait, all the way down to the end of the black section. So this is about like 3 inches of hair. Yeah. So I'm going to plait my hair down to that section.
I was really hoping that would just hold.
It looked like it has. Alright, good. Good.
So now,
With the Yaman braids, I am going to do the same thing. I'm going to crochet it in to the roots. So go right at the bottom. And crossway.
so what I'm gonna do now, which might seem redundant, however, it would give us the look that we're going for. I'm gonna take 2 elastic bands
And I'm going to add it to the root of my hair. Just wrap it around 3 times. Does it work? Does it work?
I think it works. And with this method, my black hair is a lot more hidden, right?
Try and make it even. So this is like 1 finger length. One finger length.
It looks like I can get 1 more finger length out of this. Alright, 1 more finger length. 1 more.
Wow! Look at that! I'm just going to make sure that my hair is properly hidden at the roots. Nice and properly hidden. Fluff it. Puff it.
Bubble it. Bubble it. I see where this can look really cute. But I also see where this might look like shit. Seeing how this sample braid is so thick, I think I'm going to be doing bigger sections. Just by doing bigger sections, it won't affect the thickness of the braid that we're seeing right here. It's going to just allow for less braids, so then it won't look too packed. I don't think this style is gonna look good with too many going on. Yeah.
Oh my god, this would be such a cute style. Like if I had my hair in like a high ponytail and then I had like 2 of these puffy things on either side, like right here and another one right here. And then with the end of the ponytail I do like a big jumbo puffiness too. Puffy braid, puff braid, bubble braid. Yeah. Wouldn't that look cute? I think that would look cute. Just imagine it. Like,
combing out this hair sucks. There must be some kind of afro kinky Marley hair but in bulk, cause so I just did a quick Amazon search and it looked like the correct hair to get is the Marley twist braiding hair. It looked like that braiding hair doesn't come in the little separation thing. I don't have no way to get that hair to me immediately, so I'm stuck with this. And this is the same 4 pieces of hair.
and it's clear I need some practice doing these extra large partings to my head, because we started out with jumbo at the back and ended up with medium at the front.
Don't be obtuse, Duchess, it's not attractive. Ivory sighed, signalling her remorse. Very well. I represent her family. Her brother, the Duke. King leaned forward just a minute.
This felt like it took forever. It might not be the neatest parting, but I tried. So since my hair is now fully prepped, I'm going to fully prep the extension hair. So I'm just going to detangle a full pack of hair one time so that I can at least go through a few braids before I have to detangle again. This is the most annoying part.
And believe it or not, after a while I realized that it was better that I put down the comb and pre-fluff the hair just using my fingers.
Buy the correct hair, guys. Buy the correct hair. I'm assuming there's a better hair to use. I don't know. Oh my god, I honestly didn't think this was going to take this long. But we're on the last two now, and this is a lot. I don't know what I was expecting, but I don't know if this was it. This is a lot.
And to finish off this style, I added some wooden beads that I found on Amazon to the ends of my hair. Every product I use will be linked down in the description box. Even the hair I wish I used.
This hairstyle is a vibe. It's so freaking extra, but it's a vibe. I really wish I had more of these shells. Like, I'm going to order a pack of them on Amazon like right now.
only have these two. But damn, like I really wish I had more. Oh.
So I ended up using 4 packs of hair, and even though it does look bulky, it really isn't heavy at all. Like it's not. Like it's really light. Well, I wouldn't go as far as calling it light, but it's not heavy. It's not heavy at all. I love it. I don't know how much. I don't know how many ways I can say it. Like I love it. Very extra, but I love it. Anyway, beauties, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to give me a thumbs up. I hope you like my hairstyle. If you're new to my channel and reached this far into the video, but you haven't decided whether or not you want to subscribe, I'm really not sure why that is. Like, I'm not going to pressure you. But here's what I'll do. I'll leave some more of my videos up in the iCards so you can watch more, get more familiar with my channel, and then after sitting through like 1 or 2 more of my videos, you should realize by then that you actually enjoy my content and it just makes sense you subscribe. Anyway, beauties, thanks again for watching. Later. Wow. Baba like soup, baba like soup.